Hello everyone, my name is Mohan Kunjam. Today I am going to telling about my project and I will explain also that project. So my project is AI content generator. I used with HTML, CSS and JavaScript and Gemini API. Okay, so my project is AI content generator. Let's go to the my code. So this is my code and this is my project code, JS code. This is HTML file. Let's go to my JS file. I'm going my JS file. This is my JS file. Okay, I wrote here some logics. Okay, so this is Gemini model. This is API key. Okay, so generate button, what is this? This is one variable. This is HTML element. From I am targeting HTML, so that is okay. And I used here const also. Const means constant. We can't do reassign and react redeclare. Okay, and let let is a um sorry. I will tell about const, let, and where difference between both. Okay, so const is a constant. Okay, when we can't change in future means uh, we have to must declare, and we can't do redeclare, and we can't do reassign. In let case, we uh, we can reassign but we can't do redeclare. Okay, in where case is that thing also we can do reassign, redeclare, anything we can do in in where. Okay, so let's uh, sorry, let and const block scope code, and where is function scope. Okay, so let I will give example. Let uh, mk is equal to 30 40, that thing 40. Okay, uh, I have here declared, and I want to here reassign. Okay, mk is equal to 45. It will be now value is console dot log. I will print when mk, so it will return 46. Okay, it is have a reassign, but we can't do redeclare. Okay, let we can't do redeclare that thing. Okay, if I will redeclare, if I did redeclare, it will give the error. And const case also, uh, block scope code means inside the curly braces we have to code. Okay, this is block scope code inside the curly braces. Okay, let also, let is sorry, const also, const mk 60. This there have a declare I, but I can't do reassign 30, and I can't do const redeclare. Okay, this is a const and let that are block scope code in where is function scope code. Okay, so now go to our main logic. This is the difference between const and let. Okay, so this is my button where I stored in const. I target from HTML element. This is element listener. It is JavaScript keyword. That is means when I click, when user will click the button in button, so it will listen that event, and after that execute whatever we write in the inside the function. Okay, this is async. Async means uh, in web pages we have uh, API key, that thing. Okay, API key, in API key, when we use API key, it will take from server data. It will take from server data, so that um, time will be extend. That's why we use async. Okay, it will also again always return promise. And inside the async we write here code because of I used here server, Gemini server. Okay, Gemini API server. And this is arrow function. What is the difference between arrow function and regular function? Arrow function is shorter and cleaner function compared to regular function. Okay, how we write regular function? Function mk parenthesis. I will pass here parameters. I'm right here return a plus b. It is regular function, but in arrow function, how we write const mk brackets a comma b and is equal to arrow and right here a plus b. It will return implicit. Arrow function always return implicit. Okay, that is the difference between regular function and arrow function. Okay, inside the arrow function I write some logics, that is means inside in my project user will not write in input place. A user will not write something in input place. It will give the error. Error is alert, please enter something. If user write input place something, so it will automatically execute that code in prompt. Okay, prompt means prompt engineering. Okay, it will take from user prompt. Okay, when user will click when user will click that mode, so it will be match from this. Okay, if this value is match, so uh, this code will execute. After that, break. If user want to summary, so user input and catch, sorry, a value will match. If that will match, it will execute that code after the break. And try catch. What is try catch? Try catch is a error handling method in API servers, anything web application for error handling. Okay, inside I write risky code. Risky code means to taking time that much, that type of code we can write in try. Okay, what is await? Okay, await is a when async function is execute the code uh, in middle time. Async function uh, is keep that means ब्लॉक दैट कोड, इट विल टेक फ्रॉम यूजर। मतलब कि जब असिंक्रोनस फंक्शन एग्जीक्यूट होगा, जब उसमें किसी भी प्रकार का एपीआई सर्वर से डाटा लेने में दिक्कत होगा, वो जो टाइम लग रहा है उसको अवेट कैच करेगा। ठीक है, मतलब कि प्रॉमिस जब तक डाटा रिटर्न नहीं करेगा तब तक ये वेट करेगा अवेट। ओके, दैट्स वाई अवेट। ओके, दिस इज इनबिल्ट फंक्शन इन जावास्क्रिप्ट। पेज ऑल्सो, पेज मतलब कि सर्वर से डाटा भेजने, सर्वर में डाटा भेजने या लाने का काम करता है। ठीक है, ये है URL मीन्स एंड पॉइंट URL। मेथड पोस्ट हो रहा है यार, हैपनिंग पोस्ट मेथड मीन्स वी आर सेंडिंग डाटा and address means extra information which type of format will API will give return. Okay, and this is response. Okay, जब यूजर डाटा भेजे, जब यूजर इनपुट से डाटा रिक्वेस्ट भेजेगा तो रिस्पॉन्स यहाँ डाटा में स्टोर होगा, रिस्पॉन्स डॉट जेसन के थ्रू कन्वर्ट होगा जेसन फॉर्मेट में। एंड वी डिड हियर डाटा एक्सट्रैक्ट। ओके, this is happen here data dot candidate content. And what is map? Map is a method of array. It is work on every element. Okay, Join will include the text, new text. Trim will cut the new space, and catch will catch the errors. Okay. After that, finally we'll execute. So in ES6, we learn about const, let, and arrow function, async, await, try catch. That thing we'll learn. Okay. The conclusion is we have learned about let, const, async function, and arrow function. Okay. So thank you.